Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll continue solving exercise 20C from chapter Area and Perimeter of Plane Figures. So starting with question number 19. The minute hand of a clock is 8 cm long. Find the area swept by the minute hand between 8:30 am and 9:05 am. There is a clock. So figure is not required over here, students. I'm just drawing it for understanding, so you can draw it for understanding. Okay, there is a clock and minute hand of a clock is 8 cm long. So minute hand of a clock, उसका length दिया है 8 cm. Find the area swept by the minute hand between 8:30 am and 9:05 am. We'll come to this part. पहले understand करते हैं. ये जो minute hand है, let's say अभी 8:15 है time, okay? So our hand will be on 8 and minute hand will be on 3, correct? 9:15 पे वापस ये पूरा घूम के यही 3 पे आ जाएगा. अभी 8:15 है, then 8:20, then 8:25, 8:30, 8:35, 8:40, right? So 9:15 तक ये वापस से 3 पे आ जाएगा. So it is completing one whole circle in 1 hour. 8:15 and 9:15 will be 1 hour. Okay, that is 60 minutes. In 60 minutes, the minute hand covers the entire circle. Okay, and कितना circular portion? जितना उसका length है उतना, है ना? So this length is acting as a radius over here. Okay, so it is going to cover the circular portion of this much part. Alright, तो ये पूरा circle इतना cover करेगा in 1 hour. Alright, so I can say time and area swept are related. In 60 minutes, it completes one circle. That is area of circle, which is pi r square, where r is nothing but the length of the minute hand. Okay, so r is 8 cm. So I can easily find out the area in 60 minutes, है ना? Putting the values of pi and r. Now what they have asked is, what is the area swept by the minute hand between 8:30 and 9:05 am? तो 8:30 am से 9:05 am कितना टाइम होता है? 35 minutes, करेक्ट? 8:30 पे minute hand will be on 6, है ना? And our hand will be on 8. 9:05 पे our hand will be over here and minute hand will be on 1. So we are interested in knowing कि 8:30 से लेके 9:05 तक कितना area sweep हुआ है. This will be the area. 8:30 to 9, half an hour, 30 minutes, and यहाँ से यहाँ 5 minutes. So 30 plus 5, 35 minutes. So in 35 minutes, how much area will be swept by the minute hand? आराम से क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके आंसर मिल जाएगा, right? So let us solve now with proper steps. The length of the minute hand acts as a radius over here, so it is r, which is 8 cm. The area swept by the minute hand in 60 minutes, that is 1 hour, will be pi r square, right? So write down the area swept by the minute hand in 60 minutes will be pi r square centimeter, correct? इतना area sweep करेगा. Don't put the values now, we'll put the values later, okay? So this is the area covered. In 35 minutes, how much area will it cover? So 8:30 to 9:05 is 35 minutes. Write it down. The time duration between 8:30 a.m. and 9:05 a.m. is 35 minutes. Okay. So the area swept by the minute hand in 35 minutes will be 35 by 60 into pi r square, है ना? 60 में pi r square, तो 35 मिनट्स में x क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो, सॉल्व करो, यही मिलेगा. ओके. सो 5 7 जा 5 12 जा, पाई और आर का वैल्यूज पुट करते हैं. 22/7, आर इज 8. ओके. 7 7 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 4 3 जा 4 2 जा, 22 2 जा 44. 44 इंटू 8, 8 4 जा 32, ये 35, 352 डिवाइडेड बाई 3 है. ओके. नाउ एरिया you can find in decimals also, but I'm going to find out in mixed fraction. बुक में mixed fraction के फॉर्म में दिया हुआ है. Okay, so over here 3 1s are 3, then again 3 1s are 3, 2 बचेगा 22, 3 7s are 21 and 1 remains. So 117 1/3 हो जाएगा. मिक्स फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म में आंसर स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. डोंट फॉरगेट द यूनिट, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जहां पे भी एरिया लिख रहे हो वहां पे यूनिट लिखो. ओके. सो दिस इज द आंसर. इन डेसिमल फॉर्म यू विल गेट 117.33. 3 रहकर होगा. ओके, दिस एज वेल इज करेक्ट. ओके. सो don't forget to box the answer and don't forget the units. Last question of the exercise, question number 20. The shaded portion of the figure given alongside shows two concentric circles. If the circumference of the two circles be 396 centimeter and 374 centimeter, find the area of the shaded portion. Very easy. You are given the figure and there are two concentric circles. Concentric matlab both the circles have same centers. Okay. So outer circle का भी center यही है and inner circle का भी center यही है. Okay. Now radius of the inner circle is small r and radius of the outer circle is capital R. Okay. So outer circle and inner circle. For outer circle, radius is capital R. For inner circle, small r. Right? Radius will be in centimeter because circumference is centimeter में है. Okay? Circumference for outer circle, let's say it is CO, and circumference for inner circle CI. ठीक है? Circumference is दिया है. It is 396 and 374. The greater value will hold for the outer circle and the lesser value for the inner circle. Right? So 396 is the circumference of the outer circle and 374 for the inner circle. Circumference का फॉर्मूला क्या है? 2 pi r. सॉल्व करके r का वैल्यू मिल जाएगा, कैपिटल R का वैल्यू. ओके. सेम वे यहाँ पे सॉल्विंग दिस आई गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ स्मॉल r. So I can easily find out the radii of both the circles. Once I get the radii of both the circles, I need to find out the area of the shaded portion. Area of this shaded portion is nothing but area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. ये बड़े सर्कल में से मैंने इनर सर्कल का एरिया निकाल दिया, इतना एरिया निकाल दिया, then it will give me this remaining portion, shaded portion. So area of shaded portion is nothing but area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. What is the formula of area of circle? Pi r square. यहाँ पे pi small r square. Putting the values of capital R and small r, I'll get the area of the shaded portion. Okay, so let us solve now with proper steps. First, we'll consider the outer circle. So for outer circle, the radius is capital R centimeter, right? सेंटीमीटर में होगा बिकॉज सर्कमफ्रेंस सेंटीमीटर में दिया है. सर्कमफ्रेंस is 396 centimeter. Greater value होगा for outer circle and the lesser value for the inner circle. Okay, so that is 2 pi capital R is equal to 396. That is 2 into 22 upon 7 into R is equal to 396. So R is equal to 396 into 7 upon 2 into 22. Reciprocal हो जाएगा. The numbers in denominator will go in numerator. And the ones in numerator will go in denominator. 2 19s are 38. 2 8s are 16. 2 11s are 2 9s are 9s are 11 9s are. So 9 into 7 63 centimeter. Okay. Same way we'll find out the radius of the inner circle. So for inner circle, radius is small r. Circumference भी दिया है. It is 374. That is 2 pi small r is equal to 374. That is 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is equal to 374. That is r is equal to 374 into 7 upon 2 into 22. So 2 11s are 2 18s are 36 and 2 7s are correct. 11 1s are 11 and 7s are right. So 17 into 7 119 हो जाएगा upon 2. Keep it as it is. Okay, I am not finding it in decimals. So दोनों रेडियाई का वैल्यू मिल गया. For small r we are getting 119 upon 2 and for capital R 63. Okay. Now we'll find out the area of the shaded portion. Area of the shaded portion will be area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. Area of outer circle होगा pi capital R square. Area of inner circle pi small r square. Taking pi common, r square minus r square. Pi का value 22 upon 7. R का value 63 squared and small r is 119 upon 2 squared. Why find out the squares when you can use identity? A square minus b square का form है. So let us solve using a minus b into a plus b वाला formula. So this will be 22 upon 7 into 63 minus 119 upon 2 into 63 plus 119 upon 2. So 22 upon 7 into taking LCM ये हो जाएगा 126 minus 119 upon 2 and 120 by mistake I wrote like this 126 plus 119 upon 2. Okay, so that gives 22 upon 7 into this will give 7 upon 2 right and ये हो जाएगा 245 upon 2 right. 7 7 cancel हो गया 2 11 सा 11 into 245 divided by 2. So 245 into 11 find out करते हैं. Two 695 divided by 2. Okay, so we are getting 2695 divided by 2. 2 13s are 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14 and 0.5. Okay, so 1347.50 पुट कर देते हैं. स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर, डोंट फॉरगेट द यूनिट्स. बॉक्स कर दो आंसर को. Write down the final statement. The area of the shaded portion is 1347.50 square centimeter.